Hi there, welcome to another episode of Jana Eats. It's summertime and we're gonna do some gluten and dairy-free cooking with your summer produce. And right now I'm going to teach you my favorite pickle brine. It's super easy and you can literally pickle anything. Like you can pickle carrots, cukes, zucchini, cherries. What? Yeah, you can pretty much pickle anything. Pickle your kids. They're bugging you. Just kidding. So, it's a cup of water. It's going to be 1 cup of white vinegar. Now this goes into a saucepan because you're going to heat it up, right? So that the sugar dissolves. It's going to be 1/3 cup of sugar. And it's going to be a tablespoon. Make sure the sea salt's fine. There's no iodized, none of that stuff. You can even use kosher salt. So a tablespoon of salt. And we're going to put that on the burner. Oh, and just so the sugar dissolves and the salt dissolves. In the interim, so I had some cucumber left over. I found it in my fridge, and some onion and some peppercorns. And then I just found a perfect little jar because I'm a jar saver. And just layered the onion and the cuke and the peppercorns. And we'll be right back. So you're going to heat up the vinegar mixture until the sugar and the salt dissolve. It doesn't have to boil. And then you're just going to pour it over your veggies, and literally in 15-20 minutes you've got pickles. Not kidding. And then store this in the fridge and nibble on it all week. I'll be back with my finished product in a moment. Okay, we're back. The vinegar mixture, I didn't cook it. I didn't bring it to a boil. It doesn't have to. The key is it's got to be hot enough to dissolve the salt and the sugar. So you're just going to pour, and I love this pot because it's got a pour spout. And then you're just going to pour that pickling brine right over your vegetables. Make sure they're submerged. And you're done. Voila! Quick pickles, wasn't kidding. Anyway, make some, post them, tag me, follow me, subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. Come back soon for another episode. Gluten and dairy-free cooking, Jana Eats. Thanks so much for joining me.